Johnathan Michael. I teach Mechatronics at Central High School. It's wonderful having all the students come in because it's actually hands-on. They learn a lot of theory inside the classroom, but back here is where they actually get to put those skills in effect and actually see how everything lines up. They're learning real-world skills that they could use at home tonight and real-world skills that they can use to go directly into a job, a 2-year technology school, or a 4-year engineering degree. So that door is open for them, and I'm glad to open doors for students in Murray County.
Hi, I'm Paul Studebaker. This is Mechatronics 2. I am building a multiple shaft spur gear drive for the end of semester exam.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's going to be small in here. There you go.
Ah, yeah, I feel that, right?
Oh, yes, we did. 8-inch, right? So I need an 8-inch shaft in it. So if I tighten those collars, students that have come into this program over the last 2 years have gotten to see really what today's learning is like. It's hands-on. I'm able to see them come in. They look at the theory. They look at the mathematics that's behind it. And of course they say it's hard. This is harder than calculus. This is harder than trigonometry. But then they get to put the pieces together and really understand by putting these pieces together how that math works in our everyday lives. They're going through the engineering process. We love to make mistakes inside this classroom because we learn from mistakes. So if this is something that interests you, I want you to come on along and take Mechatronics at Central High School.
I'm Hunter Glasgow. I'm in Mechatronics 2, and right now I'm building a multiple shaft spur gear drive.
Motors is the easiest thing to move. So that's why it's going to be finger tight. So then I start from the back and I come to the front for my alignment. Okay, good job. Do we need to go ahead? This is the rotating electrical motors. They're able to use AC and DC motors, 1 to 2, and they are able to set them up all the way from scratch. They can reverse the motors. They learn a lot with coming from AC, DC electrical on how actual motors work, of course, in factories, setting up assembly lines and so on and so forth. Hydraulics and pneumatics are here. They learn different circuits, the DCV, all the components in what they do. They use hydraulic actuators, learn to read gauges, and know about pressure and flow. Same thing with the pneumatic instrumentation panel. All this is air versus hydraulic, so it's a lot less messy. They most time like this a little bit better, but they use the DCVs, and again, pressure and flow, they're able to do the high-level mathematics that comes behind that. Yes, this is the T7017. It's the AC/DC Electrical Systems Center that we have in the Mechatronics classroom. Students that come in, they learn the basic circuits and how they work, and then they go all the way through the semester able to put different relays, fuses, resistors, and know how that electricity works according to Ohm's law. Once they finish that, then we move to the rotating electric machines where they set up rotating electrical motors.
I'm Augustine.
I'm Spencer Davis.
I'm Jackson Goostrey. And we're working on Vex robots in here, just building them from scratch, all the parts that we get in the boxes. Just prototyping with, different ways to make them faster and slower and, more torque and all that kind of stuff. Lots of designs already in here. We got 4 different robots, 4 different people already working on stuff in here.
I have to put 2 spaces in.
I figured it.
Mechatronics 2 uses the process control system. This is our biggest and our best. It does have a Honeywell controller that they will learn to program within the next semester. This process control is used in many factories. Pharmaceuticals makes it, cosmetics makes it, and most of your engineers will be the ones that design what is going to go through the system and how that it works. And the students here at Central High School are able to learn that.